Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode, we will be learning how to download and install CoinMarketCap on your iPhone. Whether you are a beginner or intermediate user, these steps will walk you through the process clearly. First of all, make sure that your iPhone is connected to a stable internet and launch open your App Store. Now, tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. In the search box provided at the top, type in CoinMarketCap. Look for the application that says CoinMarketCap Crypto Tracker, and then once you come across this application, tap on the Get or the Download button to start the download process. Make sure to look for the developer name CoinMarketCap when you download the app. The app will then download and install quickly and easily. Once the application is downloaded, click on Open to load the application open. And there you have it. That's how you easily download and install CoinMarketCap on your iOS device, whether you are using iPhone or your iPads. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thanks for watching.